Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you're all fine now. We were going on with the fun they had in our main course book Beehive. Hope you all have the textbook. Those who don't have the textbook, I have already shared the PDF file the other day when we were going on with the interaction session. Be very sure that you are either having the textbook or having the PDF file which I have shared with you. Now, a man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I bet you. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing? Sure, if they were the same age. Okay, that's all about paragraph number 7. We'll understand what was going on there. Now, in a sudden, when Tommy said that it was a man, Margie could not believe. And then Margie said, hey, I won't agree a stranger to come inside my home and stay with us. Tommy got really break into laughter. Why? Why? Because the teacher was not coming into home. Then what was happening? What is happening right now? Are all the teachers coming into your home and staying there, explaining all the lessons to you? No, you are coming into the school, you're learning things and going back home. That's what is happening. Now, Tommy also said like that. Tommy said that at that time there was a building named school and all the students went there. There was a room named classroom and the students get into the classroom and the teacher came into the classroom and taught the lessons. That was the pattern. It was not like the teacher coming into the house and staying with us to teach us. That was not the pattern during that time. That's what Tommy said. And Margie was really, what we will say, confused. She was not really understanding what is going on. But she got one question actually. All the children were sitting in the same classroom and learning the same thing? She asked Tommy. Then Tommy said, of course, if they were in the same age, they were learning the same thing only as you are doing it right now. Okay? Okay, now Tommy said that all the students who are having the same age were learning the same thing. But that was not very easily digesting to Margie. Why? Let us see why it happens. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. That is the problem with Margie. What is the problem there? Yes, Margie says her mother has told her, Margie's mother has told her that each teacher has to fit the lessons according to the level of each boy and each girl. And the level of the children will be automatically different. Right? So what happens? The mechanical teacher adjusts the level of geography lesson for Margie in a way, but for some other students it may be a different way. And the same way Margie gets a confusion because there will be a lot of children sitting in the classroom. How will the teacher be able to understand the different level children and manage them in the same class? That was the confusion of Margie now. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. The same thing was happening, but there was different strategies followed by the teachers of that time. It was not like what we are doing right now. That's all what about it. And if you don't want to read this book, you don't want to. Please don't come with such bad criticisms. Tommy was really arrogant about Margie's arguments. He was not at all happy about what Margie said, what Margie was saying. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. In a sudden, Margie said, Hey, no, I didn't say anything against the book. I was just sharing my experience during my time. I do hate schools actually. And even at that time, she wanted to learn more about the funny schools which were explained in the book. Why she said that it was really funny? Let us see why it is funny for Margie. Do you think that your schooling is fun? Yes, of course, our schooling is fun. Because in school, we'll get a lot of friends, we'll get a lot of good teachers, we'll get a good background, a big ground for us to play, a beautiful surrounding for us to grow, a lot of things to be shared each other. All those things will make the schooling fun, right? Yes. Margie was also thinking about such a fun going to happen in the book. She's just having that imagination only. Let's see what is going on the next. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. While they were reading busily, they both were enjoying the book and understanding what is there about the old school. And at the same time, even before they reached half of the book, Margie's mother called. And she said, Margie, it's time for your school. Of course, there is a proper time. We'll see what is the time and why they were fixed with a time. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Margie was not ready to stop reading and to go back to her boring school. So she said, No, not now. Maybe after some time. I'm busy doing something here now. I'll come after some time. She looked at her mother and said so. Now, said Mrs. Johns, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Mother was not ready to agree with Margie. She said, No, you have to come right now. It's your time for school. And then looked at Tommy. Hey, Tommy, it's almost your time also for school. Then Margie's mother says it very clearly that they have to stop reading the book and they both have to engage themselves in their school. What is their school? Let's see. Margie said to Tommy, Can I read the book some more with you after school? Now Margie wanted to learn more about the old school, isn't it? The fun school. And she asked Tommy whether I can read it with you some more after finishing my school. Because Margie wanted to learn more about it, wanted to, experience such a different school. So she asked Tommy, Can you please help me for reading? Can I also read the book some more time? Maybe after my school, because I have to go to my school now. So after some time, can I come and read with you? She asked to Tommy. Why she wanted to know? Because she never have experienced such a school. And she wanted to know about such a school. Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath arm. Now listen, Margie, when she requested Tommy to give a chance for also to read the book some more, Tommy was not really serious in listening to her. She said, maybe sometime. He was not too happy to have it shared for her. Or what we will say, he was a little serious about it. And he himself feel that he's a star now because Margie wanted his assistance. Margie wanted something from him. So that makes him a little bit of stardom. That's what happened there. And while he was moving, the book was in his hand only. And Margie looked at him going with the book. Margie went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom. and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Now, when Tommy left, Margie went into the school. Actually, the school is not like our school, it was a room set up just near to her bedroom. And there was a computer screen which was on. It will be on always every day on the same time almost. And the screen will be ready to accept the student in front of it. It will not be on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday are holidays for the students. Other than Saturday and Sunday, on all other 5 days, the mechanical teacher will be ready at almost the same time and the classes will go on as usual. Now we'll go for the next page. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Why it was on regular time on every day? Why the mechanical teacher was on a same time, almost the same time every day? Because Margie's mother said little children will learn easily if they are learning in the same hours, same time. If that's quite natural. Even our psychologists and the educational experts also say that if we use the same time and the same room or same place for studies, that will have an influence on our learning. Hope you also have heard about it. Okay? And we'll continue. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Now the mechanical teacher is ready for her classes and the first class is maths. And when she sat in front of the mechanical teacher, now the system said, today's first lesson is arithmetics and we are going for the addition of fractions. Proper fractions. And before starting the lesson, you have to give the homeworks which the mechanical teacher has given previous day. The mechanical teacher was asking to get the homeworks. How she has to give the homework? She has to use a punch code to complete the homework and just to put it in the correct slot which is given in the mechanical teacher. That we have learned in the previous class. She was asked by the computer teacher to give the homework in the correct slot. And what she will be doing? She'll be doing what the mechanical teacher has asked to do and she'll be continuing with the lessons. But do you think she will be able to concentrate into the lessons very well? Let's see what is happening. Okay? Margie did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the classroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Now, even though she was giving the homework in the correct slot, her mind was not correctly into the classroom, into the mechanical teacher, what the mechanical teacher was telling. She was not completely concentrating, but instead, she was thinking about the old school, which she read from the book. And she was thinking about such fun, how fun it would have been when her grandfather's grandfather was a little child. And she was just imagining all the children in the neighborhood gathering together, going to the school together and reaching the playground, reaching the courtyard of the school, playing together, enjoying, learning the same thing in the class, discussing about the homework and sharing them, helping each other. All those things are happening right now, no? Talking about what they have learned, the things happened in the classroom and going together in the evening after the school, enjoying their time. All those things were really what we will say, making happiness in the mind of Margie, but at the same time, she was feeling pity on her condition that she could not enjoy such a wonderful school in her life. She could just imagine only such a school. Right. Okay. She was really sad about losing such a beautiful experience. And the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. When we fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now, while she was thinking about it, at the same time, the mechanical teacher was scrolling and was telling the addition of 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will be, the mechanical teacher was scrolling with the details, and at the same time, she was thinking about the old school which she read in the book and the fun they had. She was really, what we will say, jealous towards the kids of that long back time and was thinking whether she also will get a chance to enjoy such a funny school. Okay, now we have finished the lesson. We have finished the lesson and we'll continue with the exercise. On the next day, there are some question answers. This way I will share it to you as a file, and please be very sure that you are reading the lesson very well and understanding the question answers. I'll share the questions and the answers during the interaction session. Hope you all clear with the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.